where download, then click the first thing here. So this is powerbi.microsoft.com. From here, we have to download our Power BI desktop. See, this Power BI desktop is completely free tool. Anybody can download and access. You can see Microsoft Power BI desktop. In this one, go to advanced download options. Right. So scroll down. You can see here uh, there are some details, system requirement and installation instructions. Just want to show you the details. Click on that. So this is the version that we are going to download. That is, you can see date of publish, that is 27/5. Means that is the latest version that we are going to download now. For 64-bit, 350 MB software is there, and other than 64-bit, is a 320 MB software is there. So I think you have 64 bit Windows, right? So you can minimize this one. Details, yeah. Go for system requirement. You can see Windows 10, 12, 8, 8.1, 16, 19. So Windows 7 is not compatible with this one. So for that purpose, we need to upgrade our laptop at least to Windows 10. Okay, you can minimize this, and then install instructions are there. So we can install by using this instruction. So not required here. But before installation, my suggestion is what we need to check our Windows first. So please go to your My PC. Just minimize this one. Minimize this window. Yeah, and there's this PC is there on your desktop. Can you see that one? Don't. We just want to check the properties. So go back. Just right click on that icon. Right click. Sorry, you're clicking that one. Or go for system properties. So you can see here it is 8 GB RAM and 64-bit operating system type. So if you are sure with the 64-bit, then we can go back and install the 64-bit uh, Power BI version. So go back to our browser and just scroll up. Yes, scroll up. Yes, this is Microsoft Power BI desktop, and there is a download option. So click that download. So it is asking for 64-bit and remaining one. So we have to install the 64-bit. Check that one and next. So it is downloading.
It's done.
Yes. So you can click that one. Simply open. Yes. Next.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
It will take little time.
Okay.
आपको कोई मैसेज आया है क्या, मतलब विंडोज की तरफ से रन के लिए?
हाँ मतलब सेटअप के लिए आया है।
ओके,
इंस्टॉलर।
ठीक है, हो रहा है, हो रहा है. Next, I accept. You can click next. Install. It's my suggestion. Those who are having 4 GB RAM, they have to use Power BI or SQL Server. Means at a time you have to use only one software. Don't open both. It will slow your system. And those who are having 8 GB, they can access it. Yes, finish. So it is done. If you can minimize this one, you will able to see one icon at your desktop. Yes, that is Power BI desktop, right? So wait for a while. I think that will get open automatically. So after installation of this software, suggestion is just restart your PC once. Okay,
Okay.
so Neha, restart it and rejoin. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So you can stop sharing your screen.